Today, we're going to build a Star Destroyer using 6 LEGO pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
The first thing we're going to do is grab our 2x3 plate with hole. And in that hole, we're going to get a 1x1 plate, round plate, and just stick it in there upside down so that it fills in that hole. And the reason I do that is because I don't like to have the hole in front of the Star Destroyer, but you don't have to do that if you don't want to. Now we've got these next 2 studs that are sticking out. On top of there, I'm going to get a 1x2 tile piece, and just put that 1x2 tile piece right there on those 2 studs. Now on these back 2 studs, I'm just going to get a 1x2 jumper plate, and that 1x2 jumper plate just goes there on the back studs. And on top of the jumper plate, I'm now going to get a 1x1 round plate with hole, and that hole is very important. So we put that on top of our jumper plate, and the reason that hole is important is because we're going to get a 1x2 plate next, and on the bottom of that 1x2 plate you're going to see that little tiny stud or notch sticking out in the center. Well, we're going to put that little stud into the hole of our 1x1 round plate like this. And here we have a micro Star Destroyer, and the nice thing is this thing is so small that those little studs can act as the shield generator on top of the Star Destroyer.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and you can click on the image to watch another video. Until next time, let's keep building together.